My son. You came to visit me. It's been so long that I haven't seen you.
Morning, Dad. I just came to pick up some things I left here the last time I came.
Oh, I see. But you're here, my son. Why don't we drink a glass of lemonade?
No, Dad. Thanks. I have a lot of things to do today. And why are you here in the garden?
I like spending my day here. I water my plants. Watch them grow. They're so beautiful. Look, I bought these new red roses here. The person who sold them to me told me that if I water every day, they will grow perfectly and I could sell them in 1 or 2 months. Of course, I don't want to sell them. I love my flowers and roses. So, I was thinking that maybe.
Yeah, sure. Look, Dad, I don't have much time. Jessica told me you were sick. But I see you're completely fine. Are you lying to us so we can come here to visit you?
Oh, no. I would never do that. Why, son? I was sick last week, but I feel better now.
Seriously? So, you just got better in no time? What happened?
The doctor says I had a pre-heart attack, but I'm fine. I think he's exaggerating, son. I told her not to call you, but she said if it was necessary you'll know about that situation. I'm really sorry for bothering you, but I'm really happy you're here with me now.
Dad, I know you feel lonely, but I don't have time to come here just to see you. I thought you were sick and that's why I came, but I have a lot of things to do every day, you know. So, next time you want to pretend you're sick, please make sure you look sick, okay?
Son, I promise, I don't mean to bother you. I'm really sorry. It won't happen again.
Yeah, sure. Now I'm leaving because I have a busy day. I'll see you later.
But you haven't seen the roses. Son? He didn't see the roses. He must be busy. So, Dad, is Grandpa fine? Can I go to say hello to him, please?
Yeah, he fine. Don't worry, and no, we don't have time to see him now. Maybe some other day.
I'm happy he's fine. Dad, I want to see him. We never come to visit him. Please.
We will come next month. I promise. Now we have to go because I have things to do.
You always say that, but we never come. Why can't I see him at least for some minutes?
I've already told you. We'll come next month, okay? Don't insist. Now, let's go home. Okay, now I have to go to work, okay? You stay here and we'll watch a movie later.
I don't want to watch a movie. I want to see my grandpa. I liked talking to him. He's a nice person.
I'm telling you, we'll go next month. I haven't to leave now. See you later.
But he is my grandpa. I want to see him and talk to him, or at least talk to him by phone. Yeah, by phone. I'm going to call my grandpa. I remember he gave me his number. Hello. Grandpa. It's me, Alex. Your grandson. Hello.
Alex?
Wow, this is a surprise. I didn't expect you to call me. Is everything okay? Yeah, everything fine here. I went with my dad to see you, but he didn't want me to go inside. Oh, I see. Well, he is usually busy. Son, he works hard for his family. For you. Probably, but I want to see you. I miss you so much, Grandpa. I want to see your flowers. Oh, they're so beautiful. I was telling your dad I bought some new red roses. Oh, they must be awesome. I want to see them. Can I go, Grandpa? To your home? Of course, you can come whenever you want. Just tell your dad to bring you here. Yeah, my dad doesn't want me to go there and I don't know why. I want to go. I understand. But you can't come alone. You need to come with your dad or an adult. But I'm not a kid anymore. I'll be 13-year-old. I can take a bus to go to your home, please. I don't think that's a good idea. Your father wouldn't like that. You better wait for him to bring you here. I can also take a taxi, or I can go walking. Your house is not far from here. No, don't come, please. We'll be in trouble if you come here alone. Let me call your father. Maybe I can convince him to pick you up at your home, and then we come to my home together. Okay, Grandpa. Then call my father and ask him, please, so I can too with you. All right. Wait there. I'm gonna call your dad right now. Hello? Peter? Yeah, it's me, your dad. Listen, I was talking to Alex and he told me.
I can't believe this. Why are you calling me? I told you I had to work and now you're calling.
Son, I didn't want to bother you, I just wanted to ask you for your permission to see Alex. He wants to come here to see the roses, and I can take care of him. I promise I can.
So, you talked to Alex? Why are you telling him to go to your home? That's not good.
No. I didn't tell him anything. He called me and told me he wanted to come visit me.
Dad, I told you before we don't have time to go, okay? Why do you have to do all these things?
I just wanted to see my grandchild and talk to him for a while. I know you're busy, but he can.
No, he can't. He has to study. He is also busy. He can't go to your home. And Dad, please, stop calling him. He needs to focus on the school. I will take him to see you when school classes finish, but until then, please, stay away.
But why you talk to me like that? I don't want to bother you or your family. I just want to be with you.
I know, but you can be annoying sometimes. You want us to go to your home all the time. But we can't do that. We do have lives, not like you. We have to do many things every day.
I'm really sorry. I didn't know I was bothering you that much. Please forgive me. I'm not going to bother you anymore. I promise, please, forgive me, my son. I'm really sorry.
Look, I know you don't like being alone, but we're really busy. I have to work now. Are you okay?
Yeah, sure. I'm fine. I will be fine. I love you, my son.
Yeah, me too. Have a nice day. I will go to visit you next month, okay? Bye. Hello, my son. I'm finally back from work. It has been a tiring day. Any news?
Dad, have you talked to Grandpa today? He told me he was going to call you this afternoon.
Yeah, I talked to him. I told him you couldn't go to his home. He insisted, but anyway.
Dad, somebody from the hospital called. They said Grandpa is sick. Did you know that?
Alex, do not make those kinds of jokes. I talked to your grandpa in the afternoon. He was fine.
They said he had a heart attack today in the afternoon. We need to go right now, Dad.
He must be lying, so we can go visit him. But anyway, let's go to the hospital. Get ready. Oh, my God. It was true. It happened right after I talked to you. It's all my fault. What did I do? What did I do to you? Dad, I'm an idiot.
Son? Is that you, my son? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Dad, you're awake. No, you don't have to be sorry. It's all my fault. I'm really sorry.
I didn't want this to happen. I don't want to bother you anymore. Please, forgive me.
You need to rest, Dad. It's me who has to say sorry and ask you to forgive me. But I promise this won't ever happen again. Everything will change. From now on. I was so stupid. I will take Alex to visit you and we'll be together as a family. We'll watch your roses grow and you'll find. We will be fine. I'm really sorry. Things will change. I promise. I love you so much, Dad.